One, two, three, let's go. This beat is rock this time.
Hey guys, this is Neha and you are watching Fashion and Fusion with Neha. Welcome back to your channel. Alright guys, so this video is again going to be a super amazing video for all you makeup lovers. And as you guys already know that I keep on doing collaboration videos with multiple beauty brands. They just send their product and I have to make my videos, then I have to promote them on my channel, and they also promote my videos like this. So this video is again going to be a paid collaboration video with my favorite Foxy Famous. And yesterday only I received this box, and this time I got few lip shades, lip colors, and eye gels and eyeliners in this box. And yes, I didn't pay anything to them. They only sent all these things to me. Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you the demo of all eye makeup products what I have received in this box. And apart from that, I'll show you few lip color swatches also. I'll apply it and I'll show you how it looks. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So in this box I have received, let me open it. Okay, so I am just opening it. So first product what I received in this one, this is Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream. Actually this is my favorite lip, this is my favorite product, and since last 2-3 years I am using it. I have almost 6-7 shades in my makeup kitty, but they have sent me this product. You can see, right, it's packed, right. Then another product I received, this is Maybelline. This is Maybelline Rock the Coral lipstick. This is a soft lip cream lipstick, and this is in 635 shade. It's Maybelline Rock the Coral. You can see, right, it's like this only. You see, right, it's a beautiful pink color. So guys, as you already know that I'm super crazy for kajals and eyeliners. So yes, I received my favorite brand's product, which is Faces Glam On Perfect Noir eyeliner. And this eyeliner I am using since 2015. I remember the first one I got it from Gurgaon MG Mall, and it's my super favorite product, and really its pigmentation is so high. So guys, this is the reason that I'm so happy that I received this one. And let me show you. So let's see this. So this is a Faces Canada Glam On eyeliner, and it's awesome. And the fourth product what I got in this kit is Faces Magnetized Dramatic Volumizing Mascara. So it's like this. So you can see it's like this, right? Okay. So guys, let's start the demo. So first of all, I'm going to use this product, which is Maybelline 635 number Rock the Coral. Let's start. You can see how beautiful this shade is, and the best part in this product what I found is it's so creamy and as well as it's so long lasting. Usually we prefer matte lipstick so that it will stay long, but the drawback of matte lipsticks are whenever you apply matte lipsticks, it makes your lips so cracky and dry. But if you get anything which is so creamy, hydrating, and as well as long lasting, so yes, if you are that type of person who prefer any hydrated plus long lasting category of lipstick, so this is best lipstick you can see. And if you guys want to have this product, go and check the description box. I will share the link in that description box along with my discount code, so that you will get over and above discounts on that product. If in case that link doesn't work, so you can check the foxy.in. And the best thing what I found in foxy.in is you guys can get amazing deals and amazing discounts along with a short surprise gift on your each and every orders. It could be anything, like it could be a cosmetic, it could be skincare product, or usually they send their makeup pouches, makeup kits. So go and check it out. Alright, now moving ahead with the second product, which is Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is in 05 shade, and this shade is so it's again a pink color shade, and it's mentioned here it's not lipstick, not it is gloss. It's like nothing you have experienced before. It's lipstick cream that goes on silky but looks soft matte. Yes, this is a specialty of this product. I already have tried this product, that's why I'm advising you. It's super cool product in affordable rates. Like it's cost something 225 or 213 rupees, and if you get it from Foxy it will come around 190 160 like this, or maybe less than that, 125. Also a long back another shade I got it in 125 rupees. So as I already have applied Maybelline on my lips, so I'll show you the demo on my hand. So yes, let me swatch it. So you can see it looks like this. This is the color. See how beautiful pink. It's again a pink color, so you should try it. And now moving ahead with the third product what I got in this kit, which is Faces Glam On. So let me apply it. So before moving ahead, I will show you how it looks. And the best thing what I like in this product is its applicator. Its applicator is so cool. If you are a beginner and you are facing any challenge, you are facing challenges while applying eyeliner, so you can see this is like this, how comfortable this applicator is, and I can apply it like this. So you can see guys, this is super cool product. I already have applied. You can see how pigmented this product is. And if you talk about the price of this product, it's somewhere around 399 something. But if you get it from Foxy.in, so you will get this product somewhere around 298 like this. So you can think like how much discount you are getting from Foxy. So you should try this, and I will share the link in the description box. So yes, you can see. So the best part in this product is it's so easy to use and highly pigmented and long lasting, and it gives a gloss to your eyes. And the best part is it's jet black color. I'm super crazy for any eyeliner or any eye pencils, kajals which comes in jet black shade. Like I don't like gray color or something like this. I want something, you know, super cool jet black like this. So I found this one, and however Faces Canada is my favorite brand, so 5 out of 5 from my end. Now moving ahead with another product which is again from Faces Canada, Magnetize Dramatic Volumizing Mascara. So the best part in this mascara is its applicator. Why Faces Canada is my favorite brand? Because first of all, they maintains the quality of their product, you know, in superb way. And whenever they make any product, so they, you know, make it so comfortable. If you are a beginner, so you can easily use their product. So now I'm talking about this mascara. So the best part in this mascara is its applicator. You can see if it is claiming that it's volumizing mascara, so yes, its applicator is meant like it volumizes your eyes like this. Alright, so you can see after application of this mascara, it looks that I have applied some false eyelashes. However, I have applied a very less amount of this mascara. But if you use it twice or thrice, it will make your eyes so, you know, so bulky and is so volumizing, and it gives an illusion to your eyes that you have used any false eyelashes. But yes, so guys, think if you are not using any false eyelashes, but this product is giving you a feel of that, a look of that. So it's a, you know, amazing product. So you should try this, and if you want to get this product, you can check the description box with my discount code. Alright guys, so these are the 4 products what I have received in my Foxy Famous PR kit. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel and share this video, do comments in comment section, and don't forget to let me know which product you like the most. And I'll share their prices and their links in the description box, which will help you to shop it. And I'll share my discount code also. And again, at last, go and check the Foxy.in, and you will get amazing deals on this website. So go and check it out. Until then guys, take care, bye bye.